Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you and show you how to play 20 questions. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. 20 questions is an awesome, fun game. You can play it with 2 people or you can play it with a massive group of people. It's kind of up to you. You can even get a really big group of people and divide them up into smaller groups, and each of the smaller groups can play the 20 questions game. It's really easy to play, and this is how you play it. One person is going to be the person who thinks of a person, place, or thing. So they have to think of something that you can imagine, a person, place, or thing. Every other person that's part of the game, whether that's just one additional person, if it's a 2-player game, or 20 additional people, you all get to ask that person yes or no questions. And that person who's thinking of the person, place, or thing can only answer with a yes or a no. So you get to ask them questions that are yes or no questions, and they can only answer with a yes or a no. And your goal as a group is to try and find out what they're thinking of, that person, place, or thing, in 20 questions or less. Now here's the thing. Within that 20 question limit includes the actual final question of, is it blank that you're thinking of? So the specific thing that you're asking them, if they're thinking of that thing, that person, place, or thing. So you really need to play strategically. Now, the questions should be asked one at a time, and as a group, you can figure out if you want to take turns, like one person asks each question individually, or if someone can raise their hand and they get to ask the question, and there's whoever has a good question can ask it. It's up to you. The game has certain rules, but for the most part, a lot of it has a lot of freedom for you to figure out how specifically you want to play with your group of people. So basically, the person that is in charge, the player, the main player for that round, is thinking of a person, place, or thing, and you all get to ask up to 20 questions maximum that have a yes or no answer, and they have to answer with a yes or a no. You have to try and find out what they're thinking of. If the group gets the answer correct, then you choose someone else from the group to think of something else. If you cannot get the answer correctly, then that same person gets to think of a new person, place, or thing. And like I said, those rules at the end are flexible, but that's how I was taught to play. That's it. That is how to play 20 questions, a full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.